Hey, doing a quick video on the steering column wraps. It's two little pieces of plastic that wrap around the column right here. So these are 4 screws. They go there, and the same on the other side. And they are used to hide the steering column bolts here. And make it look silly. Really easy. So this is the left side. So they just kind of flip like that, real easy. And then got a hole there, hole there. Get those clamped together. All right, here are the screws. Okay, oddly enough, it's a little frustrating. So I taped it together. Just so you wrap it around first. I put a little tape together and tape it together. Or you can screw one side on first and the other one. But then you have to line this area up here. So it's just super simple. All right, and once you get it on place, you can leave it loose so you can slide it back and forth. And then you want to get so this just kind of lines up this pocket here. Mine are slightly bent just a little bit. They don't snug up inside there. But on these are original ones. Maybe they're just warped over the years. But anyway, that's where you want it. All right, there you go. So my original is a little bit banged up a little bit. I just tried to polish it best I could, make it look good, and that's it.